Morning, folks. It is October 6, 2021, and the market is just about ready to open. This is the NQ E-mini NASDAQ, and it's bouncing around pretty well right now. I'm looking to trade the first 5-minute candle. I trade on the long side of it with a 5-point stop and a 20-point take profit. This thing in the overnight, it's down already 140, 130 some points. Like to let the thing flush out a little bit the first 5 minutes, and so we'll go over here and look at the slow stochastic. Uh, this is the RSI, and this is the MACD. Looks like it wants to go down. We will see though. So I will come back if I put my order in after the first 5-minute candle and see what happens. So here we go. All right, so I just got filled, and I've got my take profit at 84 and a quarter. I got hammered yesterday in the market. I kept moving my stop, kept getting in. I need to just get my composure back. Like yesterday, I lost it. I just kept getting back in and moving my stop, and I got some losses. This one looks like I might get my. I'm getting close to my take profit. I actually want to move my stop up to break even. There we go. So that way I'm playing with their money, and I like doing that better. Okay, so I just got filled. I made probably around 400 bucks. That's the way everything was set up. Let me move this around real quick so you'll see what I'm talking about here. Go to the scoreboard, and that's my whole. Yeah, so I made $420. This market's moving fast. It was one trade. Like I said, I buy the high of the first 5-minute candle. I risk 5 points to make 20, and I did it today. It worked out all right, and it could continue going on up, but I'm not so sure if it is or not. So I went ahead and got my profit, and I'm good. So that'll be it for today. I'm not trading anymore, and I hope everybody else has a good trading day. I appreciate you watching, and please give me a thumbs up and the like button and all that. And also, if you'd like to subscribe and kind of trade with me in the mornings, or I'm not allowed to give you advice. I'm not a licensed professional, so don't. It's at your own risk if you trade. So anyway, I hope you have a good trading day, and I may come back and recap a little bit, see what goes on. So it's 11:18 Eastern Standard Time. The market has been open an hour and a half, and I am done for the day, as I said before. But here was my trade. I bought above this candle. I got out, took 20 points, made my money for the day, and then look at it. It came back, went down lower, below the first candle, came back up, went above. It's all over the place right now, and there's not really a big news day. There was oil, I believe. Yeah, oil was probably put out today, but this is just something. That's why I say I just grab the money when I can, and try not to let your emotions get involved, which I did yesterday, and I paid for it. So I'm going to wrap this up, and hope you had a good trading day, and we'll just see you tomorrow.